Thanksgiving dinner prep team. Hi. Hi, Lola Mel. Hi, happy Thanksgiving. Oh, whoops, sorry.
Yes.
No, because that's not, it's before Tita Mel's shower.
But that's the whole, this is the essence. The essence of.
Okay, I'm gonna start posting some like nude baby pictures of you.
Wait a minute, you can't bring throwbacks. You can't bring throwbacks in now.
Alright, so this is like the food that we have so far. We have like the pie that's right here. Got like the sweet potatoes. At least I think those are sweet potatoes. Breadcrumbs. Ooh, hot chocolate. And in here, Isabel and my mom are fixing the dining room table for tonight's dinner. How's everything going, Mother?
Lots of platters. Lots of platters.
Right, these are all the plates.
They're only the best. Look. Look how pretty they are. Pretty.
Nice and white, pearly white. Hi, Tita Belle.
Hello.
I just want to point out the fact that she's wearing heels right now. That's the only reason why she's taller than me at this point in time.
Okay, you're only like an inch taller than me anyway.
But taller. Taller nonetheless. Okay, so the doorbell just rang. This is your first guest. Hi! Hi, Mama! Happy Thanksgiving! Oh, look! Hi, Nanai! Hi! How are you? Hi, Papa! Okay. Very good. That's it? Okay, hang on. Ready? Okay, ready?
Is it doing right now?
Oh my God. That was fun.
Guys are nuts.
Again. No, I'm kidding.
Guys are nuts.
Do it again. Here.
Oh my gosh.
Mama, take video.
It's videoing.
Okay. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Look at it.
Did you get it? Did you get it?
You were airborne. Hey, Pa.
You ready?
Can I have that key?
Okay, show me yours and I'll show you mine.
There is my. Wow.
Wow, look at that galing naman. Is that liver?
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
hold on.
Pero paliliit na.
Stop
Oh, sorry,
recording.
baby. Ooh, baby.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Hi.
Hi. How are you? Oh, sorry.
Welcome, partner.
Who does?
And my T-minus 10 minutes till dinner time. The table is set. Let's go see how the food is going. We're entering the kitchen. Man, the video doesn't have smell-o-vision. How we doing, Lola Ma? How we doing?
Look at my string beans.
Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think Thanksgiving's complete?
Woohoo!
Look at all this food right here. And the host, the
corn-
lovely host and the lovely chef of Thanksgiving dinner.
We have our corn pudding.
Oh,
Woohoo.
What about this? I don't know what's this.
This one's gravy.
Oh, really?
But about a gallon of it.
Nice.
There's a gallon of gravy.
Smells good.
Oh, no. Ridiculous.
because he wants some meat. Can't get that one. How's it tasting, Lisa?
Very good.
Nice.
Salty.
Great. Look at all that.
Liz, can I give this to you?
Oh, what?
That's a big bird. And a turkey.
What is that, Dubs?
I want to eat that turkey.
What is it?
Turkey.
Are you sure?
Yummy.
Meanwhile, more and more food is starting to get onto the table.
For you, David. Dito ko sa gabi ni nanay, mama.
And the king of foods over here, turkey. What are we carving at that?
I'm not carving.
Oh, who's carving?
You're not carving?
Who's carving?
You.
I'm carving?
Yeah.
Yay! Everybody's gonna have some very irregular cuts, but you know.
Shredded turkey it is.
Shredded turkey it is. Okay, this is the turkey.
This is the turkey.
We're cutting it up right now,
That's
carving it.
done by Mr. Packard.
A turkey butchering professional.
Looks good, Lola David. Look it, and the final product. Final product.
Turkey.
Final product.
Turkey.
Double bump. Bye. Getting clear, leaving lovely desserts. Desserts!
That's a dilly dilly. Dilly dilly.
Dilly dallo. It's good.
Dilly dilly.
Oh, Jesus.
Thank you.